Meaning of hurdle.
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 Hurdle. The word hurdle refers to an obstacle or difficulty that must be overcome in order to achieve a goal or complete a task. It can refer to a physical obstacle, such as a barrier that a runner must jump over during a race, or a figurative challenge that someone must overcome in their personal or professional life. Successfully clearing a hurdle requires determination, perseverance, and sometimes the willingness to try new approaches. Overcoming hurdles can lead to personal growth and a sense of accomplishment, as obstacles are surmounted and goals are reached.